muscular battle that the Maverick been fighting with national football coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore for years. This is about Coach Whitmore's propensity to be always looking at new players at the expense of camaraderie and team chemistry. Tapper just always a look and a look and a look at new players, whether from England or from Timbuktu. Well, me a surrender in other battle there this evening. yes. Me a hand it over to Reggae Boy and Bayer Leverkusen star Leon Bailey. Listen to Leon Bailey, listen.
So me used to, I want to know and see this so is not how it should go if somebody wants to work up better. Like, you got to work up with that team, right? We play qualification with that team. Every time you see 5, 10, 5 to 6, 7 different new faces that the thing. But now I say them have to get a chance, you know. But I say you give a chance. If you are prepared for your World Cup, brother, you need to prepare a team who can understand each other, can bond with each other, who know each other. Look upon them European country when them do it. How much new faces? If you say 2 new faces, that means them perform well in them league where they come from, and them get some friendly game and everything there. But not qualification games and all of that. They need them to build them team around each other. Like when them go out national team, they know everything about them. It's like me that Liverpool in 3 years, I know how the team play. I know how everyone of play them play. They know me play. But when you're going to one team where don't know how they want to play, don't know how they want to play, how you go play good football, how them going to understand each other.
yes. Me surrender, Leon Bailey, and take over the battle with Tapper. Yes. See the Maverick surrender. Me surrender, the Maverick surrender. Surrender. Me surrender, me man.